May plans ka ba na magpa-tattoo ulit? Ayan. At bakit ka daw ba may tattoo sa likod? What's the story behind your tattoo?
Na, hindi ko naman kinakaila na nung kabataan ko ay medyo, hindi naman ako napaliwara, pero
Nag-enjoy ka?
Oo, for fun. Pero, oo, yun. For fun.
College, di ba?
No, yeah, college. I was 18 and then, yun. I was 18. I was of legal age, but my dad didn't want. So sabi ko, ay, ayaw niya. O sige, I'm gonna get. Oo, ganun. Pero, yun. I don't have plans of doing it again, getting another one. Although the other day, I was thinking of getting another one.
Diba si Luis asked me,
Parang I just, what if ever if you were to get one? I was thinking maybe initials.
Ako may name is
Exactly, di ba? Yun, parang naisip ko yung, it's just, yun lang.
Yun lang.
Pero, sobrang niyang sakit. So, sa mga gustong magkuha, my gosh, sobrang niyang sakit.
Luklukan.
It's like a broken heart mo.
Ayan.
May famous na? Saan? Sabi ni J.D. Almayo, hits siya sa Twitter. Hits HIV. ZZZ. May famous daw. Pero, hena.
Ayan.
Hindi ko na pagsulat yung ito type.